Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the way of finding out saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox. So first of all, go to Mozilla Firefox. If you are using the latest version, then simply click on this of right top corner. But if you're using the older version, then please go to the option menu and click option. And now you are there. So now simply click privacy and security. Scroll down and find login and passwords. Then click saved logins. As you can see, there are sites and usernames. Now click on show passwords and click on yes. Now all the saved passwords on Mozilla Firefox will be visible and you can now use it easily. And lastly, if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share your experience on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.